Dough is the basic thing to make tortilla or roti, or you can say fulka. So I'm using whole wheat flour. I don't use white flour, or I don't use even all-purpose flour. Whole wheat flour can be found either at Super King or any Indian store. So this is 2 cups of flour, and then I'm going to use 1 cup of water, or you can start slowly mixing it. I just took 1 cup, and then now I'm going to mix it so until it's we don't make it a paste. It should be hard, like you know how to make the flour we make the tortilla, the same consistency. So here almost. So even if you use a lot of water, that's fine, because then you can mix more flour. There is no hard and fast rule that you can use 2.5, but see, I used all. It was 2 cup flour and I did use all the water. So almost there. See, it's moving now, and I'm mixing it really good. See, now if we need more water, we can put little bit more water here. In the beginning maybe it's a little tough, but as you do it, you can use your own experience to make it. See, so this is like this. So now what we will do, we will make it a big ball. Almost done. It's ready. So we will let it stay like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You don't have to cook right away when you are after you are done. So there you go. It's ready. Maybe just little bit of just sprinkle to make it nice and smooth. See, it's ready. So it's ready. Now we will let it stay for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and it's ready. If you want, you can cover this the wet paper or wet cloth. So now it's ready. See, we can do it like this. This is called peda, small ball. So it's ready for making tortilla.